morning, boys and girls. Here's a concept video for you today. Now, I've been using this teapot for 6 months. Showed you when I first got it. And I've been having a simple problem the entire time. I couldn't figure it out. When I would fill this pot with water and bring it up to the boil to make some coffee or tea, this lid would start and then the water would boil over and put my fire out. It dawned on me what was wrong with it. The lid fits so tightly that it holds all the steam in and starts doing this when the steam comes out. There's no vent. So I just sat here with a little itty bitty drill bit and a handle meant for a stitch awl, and I put a small vent hole right in the front of the lid. So now when I sit here and cook coffee or cook tea, that little vent will allow just enough steam to vent, but the lid won't pop up and down. So if you get one of these cheaper Chinese teapots, this is what I recommend that you do. Now, I drilled the hole from inside. That way the drill bit would stay right in this groove right here. And once it pops through, you're going to have a burr out here on this outer edge. I then went to a bigger drill bit and put it in the hole and just gave it a couple twists in the handle, and that took the burr right off of it. Now, of course, make sure you rinse any filings out before you use it to make coffee or tea with. Just a concept video, boys and girls. From here at Camp Smithy. Peace out.
By the way, don't forget to